Hi, I am Dr. Shyam Sharkar. Welcome to my class. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. In this class, I will discuss why benzyne intermediate is aromatic. Okay, one of my students asked this question and I completely missed this to put in my previous video on aromaticity. So here I have shared my previous video link, that is lecture on aromaticity. If you go through this link is given in the description of this video. You just go through this link and you will learn the complete clear concept about the aromaticity. Within few seconds you can predict whether any species will be aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. Okay, so just go through this. I think this video will help. So along with this question, why benzyne intermediate is aromatic, I have added two more MCQ with this related to the benzyne species. Okay, you can see these two questions. Okay, I will come to this answer of this question. So all this answer is related to the structure of benzyne. So if you know the structure of benzyne, then you can explain all these type of question related to the benzyne. Okay, so you have to first know the structure of benzyne. So structure of benzyne, so benzyne is a very unstable intermediate. Okay, and you can see the structure of benzyne I have drawn here. So you can see here 3 ring pi bonds are normal, whereas the other pi bond which is formed outside of the ring is abnormal, because this pi bond is formed from two sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, since these two sp2 hybrid orbitals are directed 60 degree away from each other, I will show you in the orbital diagram, or if you see the orbital diagram of this benzyne intermediate, you will see these two sp2 orbitals are 60 degree away from each other, and this is why their overlap is very much less effective. So there will be not much effective overlap within these two sp2 hybrid orbitals. Okay, that's why this pi bond is not at all normal pi bond. This is called abnormal pi bond in benzyne intermediate. Okay, and you know that for an alkyne it is required linear geometry. You already know, everybody knows that. So alkyne means that should have linear geometry, and which means that angle in triple bond should be 180 degree. But if you see the benzyne intermediate structure, it is very difficult to incorporate them into the benzene ring. So you cannot incorporate triple bond in a benzene ring. Okay, and this is why benzyne intermediate is highly strained intermediate, and this is why pi bond formed by two sp2 hybrid orbitals is not considered in the calculation of number of pi electrons. When we will calculate the number of pi electrons for the prediction of Huckel's rule, for the prediction of aromaticity, we have to calculate number of pi electrons. But this pi bond, that means pi bond formed by the two sp2 hybrid orbitals outside of the ring, we will not consider. Okay, only 3 ring pi bond we will consider for the calculation. And you can see the reference I have given two books. You can go through all about this benzyne structure, and all this you can get from these two references. Okay, now if you see the structure of benzyne, see this is benzyne can be represented in this form. And you see, if you see the corresponding orbital diagram of this benzyne, you will be able to see here I have represented in white and as well as yellow color to differentiate between p and sp2 hybrid orbitals. So here you can see all these white color is shown for the p orbitals and two yellow color is shown for the sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now you can see these sp2 hybrid orbitals, they are just out from the ring, and they have very poor overlap. Okay, very poor overlapping between these two sp2 orbitals. That's why this is not coming in the count of number of pi electrons calculation. But the overlap between all these p orbitals, they are quite stable, and the strong overlap occurs and they are conjugated within the benzene ring, just like benzene ring. Okay, but this outsider abnormal pi bond is not at all coming to the overlap with the p orbitals as shown in this white arrow. Okay, that's why we are not counting these outside pi orbitals for the calculation of number of pi electrons. So if you know this information, then you can easily explain why benzene is aromatic, and I will show you one by one. Okay, so this chart you can remember, if you watched my previous video, I used this same chart. This is the data sheet. If these conditions, if 4 conditions are fulfilled by this benzene intermediate, then it will be predicted as aromatic, anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. Let us see one by one. So you put the benzene structure here, and if you see the number of pi within the rings 1, 2, 3 I have denoted by, and the fourth one is the just out of plane. So this is abnormal pi bond, that means fourth is abnormal pi bond, and this is out of ring, so it will not come to the calculation of number of pi bonds. So you will consider only 3 pi bonds here within the ring which are conjugated. So 3 pi bonds means 6 pi electrons, and which is obeying the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n equal to 1. If you put the value of n equal to 1, then this is matching with 4n plus 2 pi electrons, that means 6 electrons. That means it is obeying Huckel's rule. Okay, now if you put the remarks one by one, so this benzene intermediate is cyclic. Okay, tick in the cyclic, and all these 3 pi bonds are conjugated, and this is planar because all the carbons are sp2 hybridized, and the third one we will not considering the outside pi bond, so all these are sp2 hybridized. This is planar, and this is following the Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi rules. So according to this data sheet, this benzene intermediate is aromatic. Okay, so you will tick in the aromatic section. So this is aromatic, so we got the answer why benzene intermediate is aromatic species. Okay, now I will come to these other 2 questions. So you can see here. So second question is the among the following that one is aromatic. So you have to predict which one is aromatic. So you already know the benzene is aromatic here, but you have to show the other 3 are not. Okay, so for that I have prepared one data sheet here for your convenience. If you make like this, so it will be easier, and for other question also you can do like this. So this data sheet is similar with that of previous one. So 4 conditions I have written here, and conclusion aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. And if you see 4 columns for 4 options A, B, C, D. So 4 species are given in this way. So one by one we will characterize. So first one, if you see this cyclopentadiene. So cyclopentadiene is having one sp3 carbon atom. So this is cyclic but not conjugated, not planar, because of due to presence of sp3 carbon atom on the top. Okay, but it obeys 4n pi electrons rule. Okay, still it obeys 4n pi electrons rule, but this cannot be aromatic because it is not conjugated, not planar. So 2 and 3 conditions, number 2 and 3 are not maintaining by this species. So this species is non-aromatic. Okay, next one already you have seen for benzene. So benzene is cyclic, conjugated, planar, and it's obeying Huckel's 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. So this is aromatic. You can tick in the aromatic section. Go to the next one, cyclobutadiene. So this is cyclic, and this is conjugated, this is planar, and this is obeying 4n plus pi electrons. So there are 4 pi electrons, 2 pi bonds, that means 4 pi electrons. So if you put the value n equal to 1, then it's matching with 4n pi electrons rule. So this should be anti-aromatic. Okay, we will tick in the anti-aromatic section. Go to the last one. So last one, this is cyclic, but this is not conjugated because sp3 carbon atom is there. So this is not planar, and this is obeying 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. That means Huckel's rule, if you put the n value 0, then it's matching with 2 pi electrons. So 1 pi 1 means 2 pi electrons. So this species is non-aromatic in nature. So you got all these 4. So first one, option A is non-aromatic, option 2 is aromatic, option C is anti-aromatic, and option D is non-aromatic. So in our question you can see, so we need the species, aromatic species. So you have to identify aromatic species. The correct answer is option B. So option B, benzene is the aromatic here. So in this way you can answer this type of question. Okay, so this was my today's lecture, and I will upload this next video of my on aromaticity. So there will be more than 20 plus MCQ question, so it will be uploaded very soon. So till then, stay connected, and who have not subscribed still my channel, please subscribe and circulate within your friend circle. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video.